Hi guys, welcome back. So today is day 33 of the daily arithmetic challenge. Okay, on the screen now are 6 questions for you to have a go at. There are 4 more. Once you've had a go at doing all 10 of them, if you press play, we'll go through the answers together. Okay, time to go through the answers then. Okay, so number 1, we've got 81 multiplied by 3, so that one's nice and straightforward. You could have done this in 2 different ways. The method that's on the screen, how I've done it, you could have partitioned it and done 1 times 3 and 80 times 3 and then added your answers together, but the answer for that one is 243. Number 2, we've got 965 add 100. You shouldn't have needed to use a method for that one. That's one of those ones you can do in your head. It's really simple, and at the very beginning of the test, so you want to get through these ones as quickly as possible. So the answer is 1065. Number 3, we've got 3.3 add 0.3. So again, it's just making sure that you get those decimal places in line with each other, and then do your additions in the correct columns for their place value, which is 3.6. Number 4, you've got 26 multiplied by 5. Again, nice and easy. You could have partitioned it and done 20 times 5 and 6 times 5, but it is just as easy doing it in that method, and the answer is 130. Number 5, now this is the first one I would definitely have recommended using the column method for, just because there's so many different digits going on. So you're adding together each individual one, remembering to carry over any values that go over 10, and your answer is 6,509. Number 6, we've got 368 add 70. So you might not have needed a method for this one, but if you didn't use a method, this is one of those questions that I would come back to at the end of a paper if you've got time, and just use a method to check, because you could have made a silly mistake on that one, and the answer is 438. So looking at number 7 then, this is a nice straightforward one. You could have used the division method for this one, however, you probably wouldn't have needed to, because you should be able to tell by now straight away that that number 84 is in the 7 times table, so it is a multiple of 7, and if you did your 7 times tables, you would know that it is 12 times 7, which is 84, which means that if you then do it the opposite, do the inverse and do 84 divided by 7, your answer should be 12. Number 8 is a lovely, simple, straightforward subtraction of fractions question, because you've got your denominator is already the same number, so all you do is keep your denominator the same and you subtract your 2 numerators. 9 subtract 7 is 2, so your answer is 2/10. You could have simplified and had 1/5, however you wouldn't have needed to for this question. Number 9, we've got 8 times 4 times 3. So this is almost an order of operations question, except it is the same method that you're using twice. So I multiplied the first 2 numbers together, which was 8 and 4, which is 32, and then multiplied my answer by the 3 that is left over. And you could have done that one with the method, it's just not on the screen, and the answer for that one is 96. And then the last question today is 2.001 add 0.11. So for this one here, it's all about just making sure that you put your numbers in the correct column for the place value. You can do that by making sure that your decimal points are in line with each other. And as you can see, I've put a 0 underneath the 1 as a placeholder, just so that I know that there is no value there.